If you are wondering if Redmi Watch 6 has a sleep tracker, then the answer is yes. This watch does indeed track sleep, and it has some sleep data. It gathers sleep data when you are asleep and if you sleep with your watch on your wrist. So essentially, if you go to the apps list, over here we should be able to find the sleep app, where you should be able to find all the information about the sleep. And of course, in my case, I don't have anything over here, but if you scroll down, you can also see the information and the data from the last 7 days. We have the average sleep. We can also check out some settings. And if we go to settings, then over here, we can enable advanced monitoring and the breathing rate. So if you want to make sure that this information is also collected, you can, of course, turn it on your watch. And besides that, you can use the Mi Fitness or Mi Fitness app. So if you go to device and choose your Redmi Watch 6, then you should be able to proceed to fitness and health. And over here we have the sleep, where we can also toggle advanced monitoring and breathing rate. Leave a like and subscribe.